Planning to compete with Amazon in the US? Stop. You'll lose before you even launch. Amazon dominates because of scale, massive logistics infrastructure, endless inventory, fast delivery, millions of sellers, and a shopping ecosystem built over decades. Their model works because scale creates more scale. More products attract more buyers, and more buyers attract more sellers. That cycle becomes extremely difficult to compete against directly. But the next generation of e-commerce platforms will not win by copying Amazon. They will win by solving a completely different problem. And that's exactly what we're going to break down in this video. The Amazon blind spot. Amazon solved access to products. But modern e-commerce is no longer just about access. Most large e-commerce platforms optimize for inventory and pricing. But that creates crowded marketplaces where products compete mainly on discounts and visibility. For customers, the experience often becomes overwhelming. Thousands of similar products, endless scrolling, and very little connection between what users actually want and what platforms recommend. That creates the real opportunity. The AI e-commerce opportunity. The next generation of e-commerce apps will focus on helping users discover the right products faster. Instead of showing the same products to everyone, AI systems can analyze customer behavior, interests, and shopping patterns to deliver more relevant recommendations. This changes the shopping experience completely. Instead of endlessly scrolling through thousands of similar products, users see products that better match what they are actually looking for. And that creates a major business advantage. Businesses no longer have to compete only on pricing or massive inventory. They can build stronger customer relationships through niche products, smarter recommendations, and more personalized shopping experiences. At this point, if you're planning to build something like this for your business, then connect with us at Code Brew Labs. We've worked with over 5,000 businesses globally, including companies building AI-powered e-commerce and marketplace platforms in the past year, helping them launch faster and scale efficiently. If you'd like to get in touch, use the WhatsApp link in the description. It will take you directly to WhatsApp, where you can share your details, and our team will reach out to schedule a live demo at your convenience. Now, if you want to see how all of this actually comes together in a real-world setup, continue watching the video. Let's begin with the AI-powered luxury fashion app, designed exclusively for women who want a more premium, personalized, and elegant shopping experience. As soon as we enter the homepage, the platform welcomes Sophia and instantly presents AI-curated luxury recommendations tailored specifically to her profile. At the top, we see the Spring 2025 Couture collection under the Art of Dressing, where users can explore premium designer-inspired fashion pieces in detail. As we scroll further, the Curated For You section showcases styles like evening elegance, modern minimal, gala-ready, and romantic chic. Each recommendation also includes a personalized match percentage, helping users understand how closely the outfit aligns with their overall style, body profile, color palette, and aesthetic preferences. Next, we move into trending luxury collections, where the app highlights premium fashion categories like tulle ball gown under runway, tailored pantsuit under power dressing, sequin evening dress under soiree, and silk wrap dress from the capsule collection. The overall goal of the homepage is to make the platform feel less like a traditional e-commerce app and more like an AI-powered personal luxury stylist. Now we move into the Explore section. This area is designed to help users discover fashion aesthetics and luxury styles based on personality, culture, and fashion identity. At the top, users can search aesthetics, designers, collections, and curated looks directly from the platform. As we scroll down, we first see Browse by Aesthetic, where categories like elegant, soft glam, CEO chic, resort, Parisian, Latina, Middle Eastern, and street couture are showcased visually. Each category opens a completely different luxury styling direction, allowing users to explore fashion that matches their identity and mood. Further below, the platform presents curated looks powered by AI recommendations and fashion trends. Here we see collections like Old Hollywood Glamour, featuring a gold-pleated gown, and architectural styling with a structured blazer look. The Explore section is mainly focused on fashion discovery, premium inspiration, and helping users navigate ultra-luxury fashion in a visually immersive way. Next, we move into the Wardrobe section, which acts as the customer's personalized luxury styling space inside the app. At the top, Sophia has already selected her signature styles, including soft glam, quiet luxury, and CEO chic. These preferences continuously help the AI improve future recommendations across the platform. Below that, we see Saved Looks, where users can revisit previously liked or bookmarked outfits, including evening dresses, business styling, romantic collections, and power dressing looks. As we continue scrolling, the platform introduces AI-curated mood boards like Golden Hour Soiree and Quiet Minimalism, helping users discover complete luxury styling combinations rather than individual products alone. Further below, the Inspired by You section analyzes previous interactions and recommends styles accordingly. In this case, the AI suggests dramatic draping based on Sophia's earlier preferences and engagement history. Then we move into Recently Loved, where we see styles like velvet cowl midi, cashmere and leather looks, statement fashion pieces, and classic tweed styling. At the bottom, the platform continues recommending premium selections like beaded sapphire and sculptural lines, keeping the entire wardrobe experience highly personalized and luxury-focused. We move into the Me section, which acts as the user's luxury fashion profile. Here we see Sophia Loren as a gold member on the platform. The app stores and tracks her favorite aesthetics, preferred colors, saved styles, measurements, and overall fashion preferences to improve personalization across the entire experience. As we scroll further, we can view her measurements and sizes, including bust, waist, hips, and dress size, helping the AI deliver more accurate luxury fashion recommendations and fitting suggestions. Below that, the Recently Loved section continues tracking user engagement and favorite styling categories in real time. We also see the Order History section, where previous purchases like draped silk midi, tailored jumpsuit, and blush puff midi are listed directly within the profile. At the bottom, AI Style Insights provide a breakdown of the customer's fashion personality. In Sophia's case, her style profile is identified as 85% elegant, 12% chic, and 3% edgy. Based on this analysis, the platform recommends silhouettes, fabrics, accessories, and luxury styling directions specifically aligned with her fashion identity. And with this, we come to an end of the AI-powered luxury. Now let's move on to the admin panel of the AI-powered luxury fashion app. As soon as the creative director logs into the dashboard, they get a complete overview of the app's performance. At the top, we can track total active users, total orders, total revenue generated, AI engagement percentage, saved looks, conversion rate, and the trending aesthetic of the week, which is quiet luxury. As we scroll down, we can monitor the revenue trend over the last 5 months, followed by AI match performance and personalization insights. The admin team can also directly access and manage featured luxury campaigns like The Art of Quiet Luxury. At the bottom, there is a live activity feed that tracks purchases, registrations, saved looks, and customer interactions happening across the app in real time. Next, we move on to Users. Inside User Management, we can monitor total users, added this month, Platinum members, and overall AI engagement rate. The complete user list is available with customer details and engagement insights, while the bottom section highlights the top performing users inside the app based on activity and interactions. Next, we move on to Fashion Catalog. This section is used to manage all luxury fashion products available inside the app. Since this is an ultra-luxury fashion ecosystem, every product is categorized and monitored carefully. Products are divided into categories like evening wear, tailoring, dresses, and couture. Each product is assigned its own AI score based on customer engagement, styling performance, and user interaction. For example, under evening wear, we have the charcoal silk gown with an AI score of 9.4. Under tailoring, the beige cashmere blazer has an AI score of 9.1. In dresses, the ivory draped midi dress has an AI score of 8.8. And inside couture, The Burgundy Tulle ball gown has one of the highest AI scores at 9.8. The admin can directly upload products, manage collections, update inventory, and monitor product performance from this section itself. Next, we move on to AI styling. This is the core intelligence engine of the app. At the top, we can track style engagement, AI match accuracy, and personalization rate. The AI system continuously analyzes user behavior, saved looks, measurements, aesthetic preferences, and engagement patterns to improve fashion recommendations. We can also monitor top aesthetics by engagement, overall AI performance, and category-level fashion analytics to understand which styles are performing best across the app. Next, we move on to collections and editorial. This section manages premium campaigns, seasonal collections, and luxury editorial experiences. Featured collections include the Lumière collection and Noir Elegance, both designed around elevated luxury fashion storytelling. Below that, we have additional curated campaigns, including Spring Essence Edit, Romantic Reverie, Avant-Garde Edition, Golden Hour Soirée, Quiet Luxury Edit, and Resort Elegance. Each collection includes its own curated looks, campaign identity, and styling direction, helping the app maintain a premium luxury fashion experience for users. Next, we move on to orders. This section allows the team to track all customer purchases and delivery activity. We can monitor the order ID, customer name, order amount, payment status, delivery status, membership tier, purchase date, and overall transaction history. This helps the operations and fulfillment teams stay updated on every luxury order placed through the app. Next, we move on to analytics. Here, the app tracks fashion engagement by category, revenue trends, top-performing collections, customer behavior insights, and AI-driven fashion interactions. These analytics help the brand understand customer preferences, improve personalization, and optimize future luxury collections. Finally, we move on to settings. Inside settings, admins can manage app-level controls, including two-factor authentication, login audits, and session timeout settings. AI configurations can also be adjusted directly from here, including auto-generated looks and personalization controls. The app also includes notification preferences for email and push notifications, category visibility controls, support email management, default currency settings, and API rate limit controls for integrations connected with the app. And with this, we come to the end of the AI-powered luxury fashion app admin panel demo. As you just saw, the future of e-commerce is not just about selling more products. It's about creating smarter and more personalized shopping experiences. Platforms powered by AI can help businesses improve product discovery, increase engagement, and build stronger customer relationships over time. Connect with us at Code Brew Labs. We've worked with over 5,000 businesses globally, helping businesses turn ideas into scalable AI-powered products. If you'd like to get in touch with us, click on the link in the description. Fill out the form, and our team will reach out to discuss your specific requirements in detail. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more insights on building real-world AI products.